everybody, it's Nazara from Nazara's Fine Crafts, and today we're going to do kind of a yarn haul. It's only a couple yarns. I don't do big bulk orders normally unless it's of the same color. This is two different colors, two different types of yarn. So I got this from Yarnspirations. They were having free shipping, and I'm a sucker for free shipping. Even though it's not really free shipping, if you have a business, you know better. But anyway, if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I will be doing my next giveaway soon, so watch out for that. That's for the month of March. And then let's go ahead and get into the package. So I already ripped the bag open, but I have not looked in the bag yet as far as the yarn and everything like that. I just didn't want to take my time opening it. So let's see, here's my packing slip. So, and it does not have prices, but I'm pretty sure I remember the prices. So the first yarn I'm going to show you is Yarnspirations Bernat Softy Chunky Twist. So I had an order for teddy bear hats. So this is the teddy bear hat that I'm going to show you. It's got just little ears, and then it's made from the Bernat Blanket yarn. And honestly, hold on just one second. Alright, so this coloring is called Sanoma. Just in case you were wondering about that. I did not order Sanoma this time. But this one, like I said, is the Bernat Softy Chunky Twist. And it's in Camo. She wanted one for a boy and one for a girl, but she wanted the boy one to be Camo. And Bernat Blanket yarn doesn't come in camo color, so I thought this might be a good substitute. It's not as thick, but it's still chunky. It is a super bulky 6. It uses 8mm knitting needles, 8mm crochet hook. It is machine washable and dryable. It's 100% acrylic. It's 2.8 ounces or 80 grams, 84 yards or 77 meters. And then it has a free crochet pattern on this one. And it's made in Turkey. So I got 2 skeins of this guy. And then I got this one, she wanted purple. So this is Bernat Blanket by Yarnspirations. It is in the color Purple Sunset. Isn't that pretty with the purples and then the magentas? That is just in lavenders. It's just different shades of purple. That's so nice. It is also super bulky 6, 8mm knitting needles or 8mm crochet hook, machine washable and dryable. It's 100% polyester, 10.5 ounces or 300 grams, 220 yards or 201 meters. So I ordered the Yarnspirations on, it was Saturday, February 29th, and it got here today, which is March 4th, which you'll be seeing this on Friday. But yeah, it only took 4 days to get here, which is really nice. As far as the prices, this guy was, I believe, $9.99. I know that the Bernat Softy Chunky Twist, sorry about the kids in the background, this was $3.99 a skein, which isn't horrible. I don't normally like buying things full price, but somebody ordered these specifically. So when you gotta order, you gotta order. You can't just ignore it. So yeah, $3.99 and then $9.99 for that. That'll make 2 hats anyway, at least. But yeah, those are my 2 yarns. I know it's short and sweet, but one for a boy, one for a girl. Maybe I'll go ahead and show them when I'm finished with them. So other than that, if you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later. Bye.